I thought I'd do a quick video. I just got a brand new Zippo pipe lighter in. It was a gift from a very special friend of mine, and you know who you are. I appreciate it. Not only do I love the matte black finish on it, but the fact that it's made especially for a pipe is just completely awesome. I've never owned anything like this, and I filled it up with some Zippo fluid, and it burns just like a Zippo should. I'm going to use it to light the very first pipe I ever bought, which is a King's Cross. It's a second by the Italian pipe maker 7L. I've got it loaded with some Lane 1Q. Not really my favorite shape, but a timeless straight stem billiard pot nonetheless. Something sentimental about your very first pipe, I guess. I'll have this the rest of my life, as will I now this awesome lighter, and I will use it every day. So here we go. This is a great smoking pipe. Never had a problem with this. Thank you again.